Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a weekly time frame, and as we can see, this week has started off on a good foot after the close that we had yesterday. As soon as 8 p.m. CME closed, we just started climbing right away for the nice third week of this relief rally. As we were saying that if we met certain numbers, we should expect this week to go up, but now that we have tapped the top, we have to see, can we hold here? Because this week can take the top and then go test the bottom. So don't get too excited. Earnings is giving everyone some euphoric action before market even opens. So be very, very cautious, because when I see market go up without the markets being open, it's just suspicious to me. Let's go to a daily, then we can start showing some levels. So on a daily, we did test up to the high of the previous week, and now we basically took that liquidity and we're trying to figure out what we want to do. If the daily closes around here, then I would think next day we would probably try to go to this $23,775 level for Bitcoin. If the daily starts to show weakness, and as soon as we get back into this Bollinger Band and close, so it would be about 22,183. If we start closing under that today, next day I would probably look for the pullback to continue. So be careful. The move is already 90% done, is what I'm saying. If we want to continue from here, it's probably going to be tomorrow, not today. But today, if we can just float around here, it'd be okay. All right, here's a 4-hour, and it looks like we had a very good volume pop up. Now we're looking to see if we're going to find support or if we're going to start trickling down. I am looking for us to stay above $22,030. As long as we're above that, I think that this 4-hour candle can close and then have another candle open, push up, probably around New York Stock Exchange open time. So just keep that in mind. If we lose 21,655, I would be cautious to the downside then, because I think it's going to gun for the 21 EMA, which is around 21,200, and then we can see if that gives us support and then continue higher. Okay. As of right now, we have this great formation, but I'm sure people are trying to short, and then some people are trying to long right now, which is probably going to hurt them when the market opens. I'm looking for a little bit of a retrace to pick up a long if I'm going to pick up a long. And yeah, indicator wise, we have broken up into this level over here. This was our previous week high, and now it looks like Bitcoin is trying to come into this 23,600, $400 area for the next level of resistance from this range. And yeah, our measured move is starting to play out. So once this range is broken, we were looking for this continuation to the upside. Let's see if it goes to fruition, and then we are looking for some resistance over here at 28,500. But first, we have this resistance here at 23. So let's see how that goes, and then we can continue on. I'm going to just quickly look at an hourly. Yeah. I do hope the 200 acts as support at 21.9. Otherwise, I think around 21.6 is where we're going to find a little bit of support, around 21.6 to 21.2. In this little range here is where I'm expecting the price action to come to before another leg up. If it can hold this level here and then leg up from here, even better. Even better. I would say then the bulls are going to try to use the FOMO and euphoria to their favor and then push up the market until they decide to pull it back down. Excuse me. So be very careful about that. Let's go look quickly at Ethereum. And here's Ethereum. So Ethereum was the stronger asset, okay? Ethereum did definitely bring Bitcoin up. Yesterday, I was sharing screenshots of the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I was telling you Bitcoin already grabbed the liquidity to the downside. It will probably shoot up to catch up to Ethereum, and that's literally what happened yesterday. Feel free to go to our Discord group to check that out. Right now, Ethereum, I'm looking for this level around 1600. I've been saying that for a while, so I'm looking for 1600, and then after that we can see where Ethereum wants to go. But if this 21 EMA comes to this 200 and it crosses down, this is going to be a epic short area. But if it doesn't cross down and it continues up, this will rally hard, like epically. So I'm just being patient for the week for where we close, and then we can move on from there. Right now, Ethereum is the one to be watching. I think Bitcoin is just being dragged around with it. Here's the daily on Ethereum. We're looking for at least 16. Looks like that's the ideal area for us to go test into. After that, I'm looking for 18. So basically 200 increments. If we start seeing some resistance, I would hope that we do not cross under 1450. Crossing under 1450 gives us the chance to probably go back to the 21 pretty quickly, and that is around 1222. So just be wary of that. Let me go to a 4-hour. Yeah, so we are hitting some resistance right about now. Around 1541 we'll probably hit this, and then we have to decide if we're going to test back to the 21, which is around 1326 before up. So right now we are very, very cramped, and we're looking for direction of how high can we go in this rally. And the measure move is done. So the measure move we have is completed. Another thing you can see is the resistance was right here. See? 1340 to 1360, and as soon as we broke out of that and use it as support, that's where the next leg came. So levels are to be respected. Yes. Okay. So that's what we're looking for, basically. We need to give it time. I think today, if earnings start coming up positive, we're going to see this start legging up. Maybe come into this previous month before this month closes, which is about 12 more days. So we have to basically be patient and see how the market wants to go today with earnings. I want to see how this week closes, really, and then to make sure that this week these candles are not traps. If it's legit, you're gonna see the real buying start, because now people think the bottom is in. So I think you'll see some FOMO, some euphoric action, and price to just like go up quick, because a lot of shorts just got hurt yesterday or the day before. So now all these shorts are tapped. We tapped into this level right here. That's where we're going, basically this negative point of control. Once that gets tapped at 1528, we might see a little bit of reversal. So just be careful, guys. Just be careful is what I want to say. Aside from that, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel to leave it in the section below. If there's the assets you would like to cover, please leave it in the section below. I'll get back to you ASAP. If there are any other things that you need clarification on, feel free to ask those questions. And aside from that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notifications so you guys get these real-time updates as they come out. And then, like I said today, be careful. Usually when the market opens at 9:30, we see a euphoric up. I am kind of thinking that we have already seen the up, and then when 9:30 rolls around, when New York Stock Exchange opens, I'm looking for the roll around, as in like the turnaround down. Unfortunately, I'm looking for a retrace into support, confirm, and then continue up. And basically in Ethereum, here's my support right over here at 1280. So if it comes down to 1280 and then goes sideways, I would say that that is an opportunity to buy and then let it go. Let it go up. I mean, it's got to make a little bull flag here for me to get into it. And then I would ideally like you know, like lower over here where the 21 is to enter. Over here is where people are trying to short. I would not be trying to buy long here. I'm looking to take a short hedge over here or like the middle of the descending channel. That's what this dash line is. How big is that channel? Oh, it's the green channel. Okay. So yeah, this right here is not really needed anymore. We broke out of this channel. Right here. This channel is out. We can redraw it later. Now we're following the path up. So we'll see now how this wants to behave. Should not do it like that. But yeah, we will follow up with this later. I'm gonna let you guys go, and like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, and then we have the Discord group in the section below. So please feel free to join, and then we can follow up on price action as the markets open. All right. Aside from that, guys, talk to you soon. Have a great day.